Biopesticides for controlling nematodes and soil pathogens. Title: Biopesticides for controlling nematodes and soil pathogens. Introduction: 100 words. Nematodes and soil-borne pathogens pose significant challenges to agronomists and farmers worldwide. These microorganisms cause considerable yield losses, affecting agriculture's sustainability and profitability. Traditional pest management methods often rely on synthetic pesticides, which come with associated environmental and health concerns. As an alternative, biopesticides have emerged as a sustainable and eco-friendly solution for controlling nematodes and soil pathogens. This article will explore the potential of biopesticides in mitigating these pest-related challenges in agriculture. Section 1: Nematodes and Soil-Borne Pathogens, 300 words. Nematodes, a diverse group of roundworms, are microscopic organisms found in the soil. Some nematodes are beneficial, acting as decomposers or predators of plant pests. However, a considerable number of nematode species are parasitic, causing damage to crops by attacking their roots. Soil-borne pathogens, on the other hand, comprise various microorganisms like fungi, bacteria, and viruses that thrive in the soil. Pathogens can attack plants directly or by releasing toxins, resulting in diseases like root rot and wilting. Section 2: Synthetic pesticides and their limitations, 300 words. Synthetic pesticides have long been employed to combat nematodes and soil-borne pathogens. While they are effective at reducing pest populations, they have several limitations. Firstly, most synthetic pesticides leave residual traces in the environment, leading to long-term ecological imbalances. Additionally, repeated use of synthetic pesticides can result in pest resistance, making them less effective over time. Furthermore, these chemicals can harm beneficial organisms and disrupt natural ecological processes. Section 3: Benefits of biopesticides, 400 words. Biopesticides, derived from natural ingredients, offer numerous advantages as an alternative to synthetic pesticides. Firstly, they pose minimal risks to the environment, non-target organisms, and human health. Unlike synthetic counterparts, biopesticides generally have short persistence and degrade rapidly, minimizing the accumulation of residues. They are biodegradable and do not accumulate in the food chain, thus reducing the risk to wildlife and groundwater. Biopesticides, particularly those based on living microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, or viruses, have multiple modes of action against nematodes and soil-borne pathogens. They can parasitize, infect, or outcompete the target pest through various mechanisms, including the production of toxins or enzymes that degrade pest cells. These living organisms develop symbiotic relationships with promoting plant health and enhancing natural defenses. Furthermore, biopesticides can improve soil structure and fertility, which in turn enhances plant growth and resilience. Many biopesticides contain beneficial microorganisms that establish beneficial interactions with plants, facilitating nutrient uptake and root development. They also contribute to the promotion of soil microbial diversity, which can act as a natural defense against pest and disease outbreaks. Section 4: Examples of biopesticides, 400 words. Several promising biopesticides have shown efficacy against nematodes and soil-borne pathogens. For instance, the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis produces proteins that are toxic to many insects and has been used successfully in controlling nematode pests. Another example is trichoderma, a fungus known for its growth-promoting effects in plants. It also has the ability to outcompete pathogenic Fungi, reducing the risk of root diseases. Additionally, parasitic nematodes such as Steinernema and Heterorhabditis, which prey on insect larvae in the soil, have been utilized as biocontrol agents against various soil pests. These nematodes can seek out and invade the hosts, releasing bacteria that cause septicemia, eventually killing the pest. Section 5, Challenges and Future Prospects, 200 words. Despite their potential, biopesticides face certain challenges in widespread adoption. Regulatory requirements, costly research and development, and limited availability can hinder their accessibility. Why in use? However, as concerns over synthetic pesticide use and the environment grow, there is increasing emphasis on sustainable agriculture practices. This shift is likely to drive more investment and research in biopesticide development. Advancements in biotechnology and genetic engineering open up new horizons for biopesticides. Scientists can now engineer microorganisms to increase their pest control abilities or combine multiple modes of action within one product. As knowledge of soil microbiomes increases, researchers can also identify novel biocontrol agents that offer specific advantages against different pests and disease. Section 1, Nematodes and Soil Pathogens, continued. Nematode infestations can lead to stunted growth, reduced yield, and even plant death. They have a wide host range, infecting various crops such as soybeans, potatoes, and wheat. Soil-borne pathogens also cause significant economic losses in agriculture. For example, the fungus Fusarium oxysporum can cause vascular wilt disease in a variety of plants, including tomatoes and bananas. Phytophthora species are responsible for root rot, affecting crops like peppers and cucumbers. Understanding the life cycle and behavior of nematodes and soil-borne pathogens is crucial for their effective management. Nematodes have multiple stages in their life cycle, including eggs, juvenile, and adults. They can survive in the soil for extended periods, making control strategies challenging. Similarly, soil-borne pathogens can persist in soil and plant debris, serving as a continuous source of infection. Some synthetic pesticides have been banned or restricted due to their harmful effects on human health, wildlife, and the environment. These chemicals can contaminate water sources, disrupting aquatic ecosystems and endangering aquatic life. Moreover, synthetic pesticides often have a broad-spectrum effect, killing not only the target pests but also beneficial organisms like pollinators and natural enemies of pests. This disruption in balance of natural ecosystems can lead to secondary pest outbreaks and reduce the overall effectiveness of pest control methods. Section 3, Benefits of Biopesticides, continued. One significant advantage of biopesticides is their low toxicity to non-target organisms and humans. This makes them suitable for use in integrated pest management (IPM) programs, which aim to minimize pesticide use while maintaining effective pest control. Biopesticides can be used in rotation with other management practices, reducing the risk of resistance development in pests. Biopesticides are also compatible with organic farming practices since they are derived from natural sources and are typically exempt from residue limits set by organic certification bodies. This makes them a preferred choice for organic growers who prioritize sustainability and environmental stewardship. Section 4, Examples of Biopesticides, continued. In addition to Bacillus thuringiensis and Trichoderma, other biopesticides have shown promise in controlling nematodes and soil-borne pathogens. Pseudomonas fluorescens, a bacterium that produces fungal compounds, has been used to control damping off and root rot diseases. It colonizes the roots of plants, preventing infection by pathogenic fungi. These fungi also improve soil structure, making it more conducive to root development and water infiltration. Section 5, Challenges and Future Prospects, continued. Despite the clear benefits of biopesticides, there are challenges that need to be addressed for their broader adoption. The cost of production and commercialization of biopesticides can be higher. The